नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका हमारे YouTube चैनल ऐशी टेक्नोलॉजी में। आज हम आपके लिए लाए हैं विंडोज़ 11 में शेयरिंग कैसे करना है, प्रिंटर शेयर कैसे करना है, ड्राइव शेयर कैसे करना है। तो सबसे पहले आपको जाना है दिस पीसी, देन गो टू प्रॉपर्टीज। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you have to change your system name. Go to advanced system setting, computer name, change. If you want to use your main PC just like server, so you have to rename it server. Click on OK. OK, close. You have to restart your PC, but wait, do some more setting. Share your drive. Just suppose we want to share my E drive. Right click on E drive, go to properties, sharing, go to advanced sharing, share this folder. Now main part is permission. Go to permission, select everyone, OK, apply, OK. Now one more thing you have to do, go to security. If you don't see everyone here, now go to edit, add, search everyone like this. OK, you have to give all permissions. Click on apply. OK, it takes some time to share all file and folders. Now one main thing you have to do, if you want to give password protection on, then it's okay. If you don't want, then go to network and internet setting, Ethernet, or you can directly type here adapter setting, manage network adapter setting. More network adapter option. Network and internet. View network status and task. See here you have seen change advanced sharing setting. Click on it. This one is the main part. Turn off password protected. If you have on, then it asks for password, so please keep it off. Save changes, close all, continue, select all. Now one more thing we want to share, that is our printer. It's Epson. Go to printer properties, click on sharing, share this printer, apply, security, everyone, apply, OK. That's all. After this all setting, you have to restart your PC. Now after restarting our PC, go to network, check here server is coming, or click on window keys and R to / and type server. Okay, now you can see that we have shared D drive, E drive and our printer. This is our server. You can open directly just like this. Right click on desktop, new, shortcut, paste this location to / and your PC name. It's anything, just server system1. Click on next, then finish. This is our server in which we have shared D drive, E drive and Epson. Now we can open another PC and check there also that server is coming or not. On any desk, because we don't have a recording system on my another laptop, just I take my PC on any desk, another PC, we can check his name. Now our another PC name is desktop. So first of all, check in network. You have to on discovery network. If you don't see here your server name, then right click on desktop, click on new, click on shortcut to / and type server. That's all. This is our server. Now we can check. This is our D drive, E drive. Now double click on printer. This is the normal problem today's we have faced in Windows 10 and Windows 11. This is our E drive, D drive. Today we are providing solution on this error also. This 0x000011B. That's all. Thank you.